Well, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome each and every one of you here to Parkston, South Dakota. Beautiful afternoon that Jared Werning cattle has been blessed with, and it's a testament to the breeding program and a testament to the friend that Jared is to many of you. So many of the faces that are here in the seats today. A huge crowd on TV auction as well, and a set of cattle that are backed by maternal lines that simply unmeasurable in terms of what those cows have done for the breed and the beef business as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, you're in the right place today.
You all know the program, you know the people that stand behind them, you know the genetics very, very well, and one of the great young outfits in the business, an outfit that's got a nationally known reputation as well as the regional and local. There's a large crowd here, and we're sure humbled by your attendance, and I know that Jared and Cassie are as well.
Ladies and gentlemen, a great way to initiate the inaugural event here at Jared Werning Cattle with a true beef bull, sired by the legendary Turnpike. And folks, you talk about an absolute powerhouse trio of brothers.
And number 20, number 5 right there, the Turnpike pick, you tell me he's giving that $20,000 going. And 20, but only get 20 pounds, but I'm a 3 now, 30 to that 5. And 30 pounds, and 4 pounds. I'm going to handle it up 20, but when you get 4 pounds, but I'm going to $20,000, and 6 now 5, and 8 pounds,
You talk about lining up the elite of the elite in terms of cow family and generating potential. Here's one that'll flat get it done.
On behalf of Cassie and myself, thank you guys so much. This means the world to us. So let's have some fun. We're gonna eat, have steak, have dinner, then we got ribs later. But thank you so much, you guys.